terms of our September quarter performance, a little bit of context is helpful to know. The FMCG markets continued to grow in the quarter, but the pace of growth was slower than in the previous quarters. Competitive intensity was very, very high, and inflation, particularly in commodity costs, we've seen an upward trend coming through the quarter. So in that context, our performance in September quarter is a strong 14% underlying volume growth. And this is really now the third consecutive quarter of double-digit underlying volume growth that we have delivered. And this growth was fairly sort of widespread across categories. It confirms to us that the actions we've been taking to strengthen our leadership positions, to strengthen our competitiveness, they are yielding results. At the same time, we have been investing to build the emerging categories, and we've seen good momentum there. If I just talk about our categories, soaps and detergents grew double-digit underlying volume growth, second consecutive quarter. Personal products, which has been growing in double digits now for long, it's now the sixth consecutive quarter of double-digit top-line growth. Packaged foods and water, strong growth momentum has been continued, and beverages has grown well, but in a market which has been slowing, particularly in tea. This growth has really been led by a series of innovations. To name a few, we've relaunched Lifebuoy soap with advanced germ protection ingredients. In the case of Lux, we had launched purple variant earlier in the year. We've now launched the sandal and cream variant. We've relaunched our Vim dishwash bar with really a faster anti-greasing, and we've launched an OK dishwash bar in the mass market segment of dishwash. In order to support these innovations and to ensure a competitive share of voice, our advertising spend was increased by about 21%, and overall A&P spends went up by 30 basis points. Now, obviously, in this environment, cost management continues to be of high priority, and I'm really pleased that our teams have really stepped up the game on cost effectiveness, and we've managed to mitigate most of the commodity cost inflation, with cost of goods sold going up only by 20 basis points.
There will always be consumers who would want to uptrade. I think the big opportunity is tea bags. I mean, the world has moved to it. It's not just developed world that's moving. If the world is moving towards it. Egypt, we are growing tea bags, and it's a strong loose tea market, same as India. But people are buying more and more tea bags.